Greetings, everyone. My name is Shawan Martin, the CEO and President of the Private Industry Council. I am excited today to talk about our DADS Matter program, which is made possible by the Department of Health and Human Services Office of Family Assistance. For the last 5 years, we offered our DADS Matter program to the fathers or father figures living in Washington, Fayette, and Westmoreland counties. I am pleased to announce that for the next 5 years, Beaver County will be added to that list. Today, I have with me Sean Seipel, who is the Vice President of Business Operations and is the Program Director, and Michelle Ferguson, who is the Program Manager. They will provide more information about our program services and benefits.
As you are aware, many people have played a role in influencing who we are. Fathers and father figures play a powerful role in their children's lives that can have a large impact in shaping who they become. DADS Matter is a voluntary program that was designed with input received from community partners, employers, experts in early childhood education, and workforce development. We are welcoming fathers and father figures to join us on this exciting journey to be the best that they can be. There will be opportunities to network with other fathers and their families, to share ideas and resources as a community. DADS Matter will also offer a diverse range of workforce trainings, and Sean Seipel is here to share additional information about these opportunities.
Hello, we're here to talk about the DADS Matter program and more importantly where it's offered in this program year. That'll be Westmoreland County, Washington County, Fayette County, and newly added Beaver County. Our additional pieces that we add are workforce development, and workforce development is a term used to describe the types of training offerings that we'll offer our dads in our program to help them achieve higher pay, a new career pathway, and be able to support themselves and their families. Our first offering will be transportation, and under that falls oil and gas, CDL, and logistics. CDL, for instance, in our last program year, the graduates out of that entry-level wage was an average of $52,000 a year. Manufacturing is also added to it with stackable credentials offered, including forklift training, lean manufacturing, and others. Healthcare is another opportunity with direct care workers, nurses aides, LPNs, and CNAs, as well as other means to help the incumbent worker increase their skill settings. And with all that, the opportunity for you, the dad, to increase your income for you and your family, the longevity of the career path that you're on, and to show some of that, we're going to let you listen to some testimonials from some past dads.
Hello, my name is Scott. I have one daughter. I attended class in February of 2020 when the pandemic started, so we were the first online class, which was pretty cool. And what I got out of the DADS Matter program that helped me the most was the communication with my daughter and my wife, which helped tremendously. So I would recommend it for anybody.
My name is Rob, and I recently got married, and my wife and I have one son now, and she's currently pregnant with her second son. So I attended the DADS Matter program at Westmoreland County Prison. Now, to the prison system, I was just another statistic, but to my son, my family, and the DADS Matter program, I was much more than that. See, I had some great achievements from making it to the NFL to being a business owner and entrepreneur, but along the way, things got dark in our life. Now, many entrepreneurs get ended up in jail like I did because our ambitions outweigh our fear of consequences and losses if we take risks. And the DADS Matter program helped me realize that I cannot live with risking not being present in my children's lives. Now, some point between the car crash that ended my football career and sitting in prison, I had an epiphany. And that epiphany is that every athlete dies twice. And the first death is at the end of his career. I was dead. I died in that car crash, and while incarcerated, I made a decision to get up out of the grave. I made a decision to reinvent myself. I embraced the DADS Matter program along with a few books, and from there I developed a formula that I began putting to use immediately while being incarcerated. And I continued to use it when I was released from prison, and me and my family's lives have been transcending ever since.
Hi, my name's Aaron. I have one son. I attended the DADS Matter program in 2019 at the Douglas Education Center in Menneson. DADS Matter class helped me gain a better understanding of the importance of being an active father in my son's life, which helped bring me closer to my son. It also helped me gain new opportunities in my career and eventually led to me training and earning my CDL license, which has opened many doors for me in my career. So it's been a really great opportunity.
Thanks to everyone who took the time to join us and to hear about this exciting opportunity coming to your neighborhood. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment in the chat box or visit our website at www.privateindustrycouncil.com or call our main office at 724-836-2600 and ask for the DADS Matter program. Please remember, stay safe, stay healthy, and have a great day.